Hi, this is Rona Gandhi here, and I have applied for the Canada PR process with Y-Axis, and I'd like to mention that it has been quite a wonderful journey till now. It's quite known that Y-Axis is one of the best service providers for immigration, and it's not only on paper, but I've experienced it firsthand. Y-Axis is simply best because of its people. The people they have are really fabulous, and they have in-depth knowledge of what they are doing. So, in addition to knowledge, they have a highly professional approach, and they are very helpful over whatever you are dealing with them. So, the process consultant assigned to me was Amiya Ranjan, and trust me, Amiya has been a really very helpful process consultant for me. He's been really very guiding throughout the entire process. Usually it's mentioned that 60 days are allocated for submission of the documents after you receive an invitation. But simply because Amiya guided me so well, not only over the documentation but also over the process of how to obtain those documents, I could manage it in 15 days. Even though with some hurdles here and there, Amiya was always there to help me out at every step. So he's got an excellent work delivery. That's simply because he knows the entire process in and out, and stages where he doesn't know, he ensures that he guides me right with the all the resources that he has. So he, as in, it's been a great journey till now. And specifically for Amiya, one thing that I like the most is that he commits exactly what is practical, and then he puts in his best efforts in meeting those commitments. And that can only happen with a person with really very great work ethics and a real great knowledge of what they are doing. So I uh, really have to mention Amiya has done a commendable job over my case, and I really wish him all the luck. And thank you for being there. Thank you so much, Y Axis. Thank you so much, Amiya.